Welcome to Oppein Live Show, and this is Savera and Kingston. And right here, we are in Oppein new showroom in 2022. And today, we are going to show you our new collections in 2022.
Yeah, through this live show, we are going to view 12 of our brand new kitchen design for 2022. And we will browse all different kinds of styles, colors, and layouts of kitchens. So let's start with the first one.
Yeah.
So this kitchen is a one-wall kitchen with a kitchen island and assigned wine cabinets.
Yeah. And as you can see, there is an island, and behind the island, there's a one-wall design. Yeah.
So this layout benefits your cooking process, so you can storage all those groceries, dinnerware, and other ingredients for your cooking. And you can cook, you can wash with the sink, and also cutting your ingredients on the countertop, and also stove or cooking on with this stove.
Yeah.
And for Nier, there is a really stunning design for the wine cabinets. So this wine cabinet, we are using a full length glass doors with the aluminum frames to highlight the luxury of this wine cabinet.
Yeah. As you can see the details, there are all round shaped elements in this design. As you can see, the round shaped handle and also the round shaped drawer self panel.
Yeah, these round shape make the entire design look more flexible and beautiful. Also, it will protect you from any impact damage.
Yeah.
And for the shelf, we are choosing some minimalist design on the shelving, so you can keep all your beautiful liquor collections on this shelf.
Yeah, and behind the shelf, there's some LED lighting. Yeah, for the more luxury elements.
Yeah, it's a stunning ambience for the entire wine cabinets.
Yeah.
And behind and down the cabinets, there's a space, there's shelving for you to keep all those dinnerware, your bowls, your dishes, anything can keep in this beautiful wine cabinet.
Yeah. So right here is the wine collection area, and also right here there's an island, which is round shape design also.
Yeah, it's a round shape design and everywhere in this kitchen.
Yeah. So let's see the details of this round shape corner. Yeah.
So this kitchen island is finished with the dark oak brand, which is a great partner with this ALPI wood brand on the cabinet panels. Yeah,
ALPI, right? Yeah. So as you know, ALPI is the well-known brand from Italy who producing the wood veneer and melamine material. So this one is the most popular collection in 2022 from them.
We are using the inspiration for this natural wood grain to create such a luxurious kitchen design for our customers. Yeah.
So you just introducing the design, the layout of this kitchen, and how about some functional area?
For functions, we are choosing some practical storage accessories to ease your life, like these slide-out trays, which will make your storage in the tall cabinets so much easier. Yeah. Like I can catch and you can access to the deepest side of these shelves. Yeah.
Without the shelf, I think it's very difficult to view the ingredients and to get them from the tall cabinets.
It will automatically slide out when you open the door.
Yeah. So as for the cooking areas, there's a built-in oven for the all-in-one design. Yeah.
Yeah. These built-in appliances supports your kitchen space with much more space for other storage. Yeah. And also we are having a small worktop behind the doors.
It's a quite big car, right? And
right here. It's a beverage station you can use to entertain your guests. Yeah. Like we are having some
small appliances.
Yeah, small home appliances to make some beverage for your guests.
And also we can store some other accessories, such as glass, and also another food collections.
Yeah, it's your secret storage space behind the door.
Secret space.
Yeah.
So, and here we also have another secret space. Guess what?
Here is a
built-in fridge.
Yeah, a huge built-in fridge for your family. So you can have all those fruits fruits, vegetables, and other kind of ingredients you will need for your cooking.
For a big family. Yeah. So this kitchen is not only the kitchen, it's artwork.
Yeah, with this beautiful finish on the cabinets and also all the functions we have behind the cabinet doors.
Yeah, as you can see, even the details, we have the built-in LED lighting on the handle.
To make a compliment for the entire dark tone design, we are choosing some beautiful lighting details and also these golden details on the shelves and all those lightings on the edges. It's all for the highlights to the dark tone kitchen.
Yeah. So I think nowadays, most of our friends like the dark tone designs for the industry or the entry luxury or Italian mini-room style.
And just next to the kitchen island, we have a side table right here for you to entertain your guests or having a glass of wine with yourself or having dinner with your family. It's a practical and functional space for you to fully use.
Yeah, it's functional. I think for me, I'd like to use this area as a dining area, and also I'd like to stay here and have some communication with who is cooking right there. Yeah, so I think the family should have some emotional communication with this unique design.
It's designed all for your actual use to your life and with your family. And Oppein Kitchen is all for making your life better.